Hey guys, can you hear me? Can you all hear me? Yes, I think you all can hear me, and now it's time for you to see me as well. So, hello everybody, welcome to the session. Welcome all of you. A very good morning. Today is the 21st of June. It is the day for summer solstice. It is the World International Yoga Day. It is the World Music Day as well. And yesterday we celebrated Father's Day. So, June is quite the month of events and celebrations. So, happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Happy World Music Day. Music and yoga do very soothing and very rejuvenating practices that I think all of us should follow, all of us should abide by, and all of us should implement in our lives. So whenever I'm doing my household work, like if I'm just folding clothes or cleaning my cupboard or doing something, I just play instrumental music in the background, and it really soothes me. Apart from that, if you're trying to sleep and you're not able to sleep, you can just play some nice Indian classical instrumental music, and that really soothes your soul. And if you're suffering from a headache or any kind of stress or tension, just play some instrumental music, flute or veena or something like that, and it will really help you all, right? Apart from that, yoga, it is the gift of India to the world. Today the entire world, they swear by yoga as something that is the that is the key to treating many illnesses, right? So we all should practice yoga, and what I can tell you all is that even if you do 5 surya namaskaras, just 5 sun salutations every day, that is more than enough to keep you fit and healthy, right? So once again, wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day, a very happy World Music Day, belated happy Father's Day to all the amazing parents out there, all the amazing fathers out there. And today is also summer solstice. It is the longest day of the year. Today is the longest day of the year, and the day is going to be quite long, and the night is going to be the shortest. So today is that day, 21st of June. And coincidentally, today I am even celebrating my brother's birthday. So I have an elder brother. His name is Sarvesh, and today we are celebrating his birthday. So we have this in our family. Summer solstice, that is the longest day of the year, is my brother's birthday, and winter solstice, that is the shortest day of the year, when the day is the shortest and the night is the longest. That is my mother's birthday. That is 22nd of December. So 21st June is my brother's birthday, 22nd December is my mother's birthday. So that is a coincidence in my family. So apart from that, thank you everyone on behalf of Oreo. I thank all of you for the wonderful wishes that you all sent in the comments. I read each and every comment. I could not reply because there were many of them. But thank you everybody for all the wishes and all the blessings that you gave to the cutest little, I can say child of mine. So thank you so much for the warm wishes from Oreo. I am just thanking all of you. It was a video that we had made for him, and thank you for the love that you all gave him. His birthday was on 18th of June, that is on Friday, but I posted the video on Saturday. Right. So with that, let us quickly start the session. And we have an amazing quote by Barack Obama, who says that change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek, and that is what they say. Just like charity begins at home, even be the change that you want to see. It's a very famous saying that be the change that you want to see. If you want people to follow cleanliness, first you start following cleanliness. If you want people to look at certain things in the world with a different perspective, you first start looking at things with a different perspective. Like the other day, I would just like to tell you, I know I'm taking a lot of time of yours, but let us start the week with a bit of motivation and with a bit of good things to talk to. So the other day I was talking to a person, and that person has a facility management business, and he was telling me he was having a sort of humor and mocking in his speech, and I'm like, people work for men, people work for women, but I did work for transgenders. And I'm like, yeah, so what is there to laugh about it? They are also normal people. They're just like anybody else. There is nothing to give them, different treatment, or to look at them with a different perspective. They are also just people like us. Like it's you, like it's me, like it's any other person. They are also normal people. Just treat them as normal as you treat anyone else. So there's nothing to, feel very different about. And so that is what, the way you want to, the way you want the society to start thinking, you need to start thinking in that way. You need to treat everyone with the same lens. You need to look at the entire world through the world of, through the view like they are our family, right? And that is what I preach in all sessions of mine. That is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The entire earth is a family, whether it is a plant, whether it is an animal, whether it is a fellow human being, or whether it is a microorganism. And that is what we are going to learn in today's class. That is about microorganisms, and we'll be dealing with bacteria and fungi. Apart from that, a very very important thing which I want to tell you, and that is the timetable for the week. Right? The timetable for the week is: on Monday I meet my grade 8 kiddos at 11 o'clock. On Wednesdays I meet my grade 6 kiddos at 1 p.m. and I meet my cutest grade 7 kids on Friday at 12 noon. And on Sunday there are the specials. Very 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 super 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 important announcement, the biggest announcement of the week, and that is, do you guys want a mind map series? Now, let me tell you, when I'm talking about mind map series, I will not put the mind map on the screen. We will draw it together. We will draw the mind map together. Do you guys want a mind map series? Thank you so much, Amish Study. Do you guys want a mind map series where we will mind map the entire chapter together? I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to put a printed mind map on the screen. We will draw it together. If you want a mind map, go on my Instagram, follow me, and there I've put a story. Just put yes on it. As of now, I have got 89% yes and 11% no. Go and answer that question on my story on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. Do you want a mind map series? If yes, please let me know in the comment of this video. ये YouTube video के comment में just let me know at what time do you want it. At what time do you want it? It is going to be live, and we will draw the mind map together with a mentee. There is also going to be a mentee on it, right? So mind map plus mentee. Okay? So what you need to do is, first you need to go on Instagram and tell me yes or no. Second, you need to put in the comment section what time do you want it. Got it? Chalo. With that, let's move ahead. And do not forget to give this video especially. We have spoken a lot today and I am feeling so good. So when you are positive from within, you spread positivity and everyone around you gets positive. And when I talk to you people, I really feel very very positive and elevated. So give this video a big fat thumbs up with a smile on your face. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. And share this video with your friends and school teachers and everyone, because everything is happening online. By the way, I have a very very big news for you. The news is, today morning I read that Karnataka is thinking about reopening the schools, because the research committee has said that if the schools do not reopen, the effects will be more harmful even than the COVID-19 effects, because the kids, they are really going through a lot of turmoil, because everything is happening online, online learning, online school, online classes, everything online, and the kids need to step out and do some physical activity. So they are planning to start the schools, and that too ASAP, as soon as possible, right? So if you get time, just go and read that article where they are planning to reopen the schools. Already in Telangana, from the 1st of July, they are starting schools. So all I would tell you is that take this opportunity, because if you guys do need to go to school, you need to talk to your friends, you need to socialize, you need to do physical activity for your holistic development. But it comes with a but, and that but is that please 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 be careful. Sanitizing, social distancing, mask, keeping yourself safe, these are the must haves if you are planning to go to school, right? So with that, let's move ahead and let us talk about bacteria and fungi. So today we will be talking about bacteria and fungi. Okay? Bacteria are the oldest organisms on this planet. The oldest and the smallest living organism on this planet is also a bacteria. Mycoplasma. Bacteria is the smallest organism on this planet and they are also the oldest. Now, when we talk about bacteria, let me tell you that they are, just wait a minute. So they are single-celled organisms who live in colonies. So bacteria are single-cell organism, but very important for you to remember is that they live in colonies, right? They can only be seen under a microscope from magnifying power 200 and 1000 times. Also, let me tell you that bacteria can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. They can be both. Means some bacteria are autotrophic, some bacteria are heterotrophic. Okay? Yes. Okay? Now, there are 4 different shapes of bacteria. It's very important for you to remember these names. Right? The spherical bacteria is Staphylococcus. The rod-like bacteria is Bacillus. The spiral bacteria is Spirilla or Spirillum, and the comma-shaped bacteria is Vibrio. Right? The bacteria that causes cholera, is Vibrio cholerae, which means it is a comma-shaped bacteria. Who causes cholera? Vibrio cholerae. The bacteria that helps to settle curd is Lactobacillus. It is Lactobacillus, which means it is rod-like, right? So bacteria come in 4 different shapes. You have got spherical bacteria, rod-like bacteria, spiral bacteria, and comma-shaped bacteria. Okay? Staphylococcus, both are correct. Okay? Creative, curious, Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Right? Now, bacteria can be useful as well as harmful. Let me enlist some good bacteria. Okay? So good bacteria में example आता है आपका Lactobacillus, which helps to settle curd. Right? They are the good bacteria, Lactobacillus. Harmful bacteria can be the one which causes typhoid, that is Salmonella typhi. Then you have got your E. coli, right? You have got Mycobacterium tuberculosis that causes tuberculosis. There are many harmful, few useful, but bacteria are both harmful as well as useful. Some are good, some are bad. Okay? So that is about bacteria. Okay? Now, just 1 minute. Chalo. Moving on. So guys, before we learn about fungi, let me show you how do I teach this chapter in a regular live class. Let me show it to you. Just wait before we start with fungi. See, this is the way we learn in a class. Okay? So before we start the class, first I'll show that microbes everywhere. Okay? So this is the way we learn in a regular Vedantu class. You get all my markings, you get all the handwritten notes. See, everything we learn in a live class in this way. Okay? See, this is how we learn about bacteria, fungi, virus. And see, I also gave them a short form to remember all the 5. So Brian fought very angrily with Peter. That is how you remember the 5 types of microorganisms. Right? See, these are the facts. We also give them the facts in the live class. And then there is a quiz. Also. Okay? So, this is how we learn in the live class. So, if you also want to learn with me and all the amazing teachers of Vedantu in a live class where you get the handwritten notes, you get the quizzes, you get the replays, you get the recordings, you get the handwritten notes of the teachers, you get a revision plan, you get a timetable, you get the language of your choice, you get the teacher of your choice, you get the timing of your choice, you get a guaranteed investment plan. Then guys, you just need to go to vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code PJPRO for a discount. See, now I assume all of you are in grade 8. For grade 8 CBSE, we have 3 different courses: Vedantu Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro premium. Pro Lite is costing rupees 2700, but if you put the coupon code PJPRO, you just need to pay rupees 2430 for 1 month, in which you are getting 32 live classes, right? 32 live classes, right? And if you want for the entire year, the cost is rupees 24,500, but if you put the coupon code, the cost is just rupees 22,000 for the entire year, from today till your final exams. I think this is cheaper. I think this is a better deal, right? And also let me tell you that the classes are beginning from today evening. Today evening, one batch of grade 8 CBSE started. Okay? So you just need to go to vdmt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code PPR, right? And as I said, the classes for grade 8 are starting today. So go talk to your parents and quickly enroll. We'll be meeting in the live classes, right? 21st June is the class starting. The next batch is on the 5th of July and ICSE has started on 7th of June. And for premium also, the classes are starting today as well as next Monday, that is 28th June. Correct? Now, let us talk about fungi. So when you will go to grade 9, there is a chapter called Diversity in Living Organisms where you learn about the 5 different types of kingdoms. You've got Monera, which has got bacteria, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. So fungi has a separate kingdom altogether because fungi is neither plant nor animal. You can neither put fungi in plant nor in animal, but they look like plants. They look like plants. So they are plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll. They are mostly multicellular and they are macroscopic, which means to see fungi you don't need a microscope. Like mushroom. Do you need a microscope to see mushroom? No, you can see them, right? Then yeast, which you put in the bread. You don't need, you get it in the market. You can just buy it and put it. So you don't need a microscope. Bread mold. When you see a green color growth on bread, that is a fungus. You don't need a microscope to see it, right? So they are multicellular and they are not microscopic. They do not contain chlorophyll and they are saprophytic or parasitic. They are, if you talk about the nutrition, so they are saprophytic and also they are parasitic. Some mushrooms are saprophytic, some mushrooms are parasitic. Okay? These are the examples of mushrooms. These are the examples of fungi: mushroom, mold, yeast, truffles. Okay? So, moving on, let us see the diseases caused by bacteria. So, bacteria, Salmonella causes typhoid as well as food poisoning. Helicobacter pylori causes gastritis and ulcers. Pneumonia is caused by fungus. Ringworm is caused by fungus. So fungus does cause diseases as well. Got it? Got it? What is the definition of microorganisms? The tiny organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye and can only be seen under a microscope are microorganisms. Microorganisms are also called microbes. Now I'll give you 3 terms. One is microorganisms. One is microbes and one is pathogens. Right? What is the difference? So these two are the same. These two are the same. What are pathogens? Pathogens are only the disease causing microorganism. They are only disease causing. For example, I will call Salmonella a pathogen. I cannot call Lactobacillus as a pathogen because Lactobacillus is a good bacteria. Got it? So only the disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Okay? Microbes, microorganisms are the same. Pathogens are the disease causing ones. They are the germs. Okay? So with that, guys, let us move on to the menti. The code for the menti is 20889396. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 20889396. Very good question, Priyanshu. Why are the virus different? Because viruses are neither living nor non-living. You cannot call a virus completely non-living. You cannot call a virus completely living as well. So that is why viruses are different. Yeah. Sure. Hello, Vanshika. Chalo, quickly join Menti, guys. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 20889396. Thank you, Ayush. Love to Kerala as well. Such a beautiful state you live in. That's amazing. Hello, Arvind, Torsha, Kalyani, Rakesh, Rija Rayan. Welcome back. Shreya Shah, Varshal. Chalo. Yes, Palak, you're absolutely right. Curd, because curd is made from bacteria. It basically has bacteria, very good probacteria. Guys, probacteria are very good for your digestive system. So please make sure that you eat curd every afternoon, especially in the summers. Hello Priyanshu, Akshaya, Trimanjot, Jaswant, Kashyapi, Harshita, Akshaya, Kiran, Sumedha, Malika, B.I. Punya. Chalo. Hello Priyanshu Narayan. Yes, I'm starting the Menti. Let me see how many of you have joined. चलो Menti में तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है कुछ. I think Menti is not refreshed. अब दिखेगा. चलो. Yes, I can see the numbers now. Chalo guys, you can see the code above. It is 20889396 is the code for the Menti. Thank you PB gamers. Yes guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Come on. Hello Baswanjali Biradar, Divyakshi, Nisar, we teach. Thank you Kameshwari, Salomi Martin. Yes Shreya, if you talk about bacteria, there are some good, some bad. Fungi are also some good, some bad. Even protozoa, some good, some bad. Algae, some good, some bad. Virus also some good, some bad. रचना मी एकदम मस्त. आपण कसे काय? Okay, great. Torsha, you are the football one. Chalo, let us make it 250. At least let us make it 225. Chalo, 225 and then we'll start the Menti. Rhizobium is also a good bacteria because it helps in nitrogen fixation. Right? Hello V Vlogs. Ashish, very good morning to you. Chalo, quick, very quick. Your cake PB gamers, okay. Hello Kalpana, hola. Hi Shikha madam. આ શ્રેયા મને ગુજરાતી આવડે છે. Chalo, let us make it 225 and then we'll start. Hello Riddhi, welcome. Green black कसं काय? दिसतंय मला. Green is not black. Hola. Bacteria are both Agni. Some bacteria like Rhodobacter is autotroph. Some bacteria like Salmonella typhi is a heterotroph. Thank you Ravindra Saini. Thank you so much. Chalo, very good. More than 230 students. Chalo, let's start the Menti. We have got very easy questions, right? Chalo. So very easy questions on your screen. Here is the first question. Mushroom which is a plant life without chlorophyll. It is something which is multicellular and does not need a microscope. Mushroom is neither a plant nor an animal. Thank you PB gamers. Chalo, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Chalo. Very good, very nice. Come on. Can we make 250? Chalo. Okay, great. More than 190 students are correct that the answer is fungi. Mushroom, yeast, truffles, bread mold, they all belong to fungi. They are plant-like, but they are not plants. They do not have chlorophyll in them. Apart from that, they are multicellular and macroscopic. You do not need a microscope to see fungi. Fungi are quite useful, but some of them are harmful as well. Okay, because they infect the food. Okay, chalo. Now moving on to the super leaderboard with the superstars for this question. And the superstars are Priyanshu, Bipasha, Watson, Bunny Boy, Mastermind Tejas, Saksham Bansal, A for Adbhut, A for Anusha, Sharvari, Spurtika and Fawzan. Priyanshu, you are the fastest leading the leaderboard. There are many tie-dyes, our powers, but we'll see them later. Chalo. Moving on to question number 2 on your screen now. Chalo. Let's see. Let's see what this question has here. The rod-shaped bacteria are called. We know the four shapes. What is the rod-shaped called? What is the rod-shaped called? Bacillus coccus vibrio spirillum. I think the answer is in the question itself. See, this spherical shaped is called coccus. Spherical shaped is called coccus. Streptococcus, staphylococcus, they are the types of coccus. But the spherical shaped is coccus. The rod shaped is bacillus. Rod shaped is bacillus. Okay? Chalo. Let us see the leaderboard with the superstars for this question. Adbhut, Anusha, Fauzan, Akib, Shreya, Saloni, Vijay, Shweta, Mahi, Jagriti and Ayman. Shreya, કેમ છો? એકદમ મજામાં. હું next month Gujarat જવાનું છું. Yeah, so next month I have a wedding to attend, so I'll be visiting Gujarat, Rajkot to be precise. Let's see. I am looking forward to having a great experience. I'm going to the state after, I think, after more than 15 years. I think I'm going to Gujarat. So let's see how I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So there's a wedding that I need to attend, just a 2-day wedding. So let's see, right? Chalo. So Saloni Chauhan, you're the fastest. Congratulations. And with that, we move on to the next question. Question number 3, absolutely free. ये क्या हो गया? Chalo. Quick, very quick. Question number 3, absolutely free. The disease caused by fungi. So you know, a disease caused by fungi: measles, chickenpox, polio, or ringworm. Remember the ointment advertisement. Last time also I told you. The ointment advertisement, the one which causes a red colored thing over here. Red colored thing over here on the neck. Very good, very good, very good, very nice. Chalo, amazingly awesome. You guys are doing really great. Chalo. Let's see how many of you get it right. So, we have got more than 130 students correct. It is ringworm. It is ringworm that is caused by a bacteria. So, on the leaderboard with the superstars, we have got this time Saloni, Adbhut, Anusha, Vijay, Mahi, Ayman, Shreya, Fauzan, Priyanshi, Sakshi and Nandini. Okay. So we have got Mahi, who is the fastest. We have got no ties this time. Okay, so Mahi is leading the leaderboard by 4 points. Let's see what happens next. And with that, we have got the question number fantastic 4. Okay, gaming with Jivesh. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 20889396. 20889396. Okay, sure. Let's start the question number 4. Question number 4, penicillium. Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum is a dash which is used to make an antibiotic. It was the world's first antibiotic, penicillin, that was made by Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming made an antibiotic using penicillium notatum, which was a dash. Now, penicillin was accidentally made by Alexander Fleming and it was the first antibiotic of the world. Is it an algae, fungus, bacteria or yeast? Guys, remember one thing. I'll give you one very simple clue to score very good in the menti. Whatever is taught in the class, same is asked in the class. Nothing more than that. So, algae and yeast. Yeast is again a type of fungus only. So, algae and yeast to ho hi nahi sakta. It can be fungus or bacteria. But the answer is it's a fungi. So penicillium notatum is the name of a fungi that is used to make the antibiotic penicillin. Mahi, Adbhut, Anusha, Saloni, Nandini, Shreya, Vijay, Sikho or Pucho, Rishit, Palak and Watson. Rishit, you are the fastest. Mahi is leading the leaderboard by 10 points. We have got a tie between Sikho, Pucho and Saloni. Let's move on to fantastic question number 5. Correcto. Very good, Pallab. Perfecto, gelato, velato, like Mani ma'am says. So, the next question, question number 5. Plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll, that are multicellular and non-microscopic. that are saprophytic and parasitic that will spoil the food as well. So it is algae, fungi, bacteria or yeast. Forget the fourth option. Forget the fourth option. It is not the answer. Just focus on A, B or C. A, B or C. Come on everybody. Come on, come on, come on. Done, done, done. Priyanshu, बहुत बढ़िया. Chalo, very good. Amazing, amazing. We have got fungi as the correct answer. Okay, fungi is the correct answer. They are the plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll. Examples of fungi are mushroom, yeast, bread mold, truffles. Nandini, Shreya, Adbhut Anusha, Vijay, Rishit, Saloni, Watson, Pranjal, Dhanashri and Vidula. Many new names. Adbhut Anusha, you are the fastest. And Nandini is leading the leaderboard by 2 points. Wow, so the leaderboard has changed now. ठीक है चलो नंदिनी great job and so Adbhut Anusha you as well. Let us fix the question number 6, right? Question number 6 coming on your screen now. Spherical bacteria, the bacteria that is round, it is called cocci, bacilli, spirilla, none of these. Very easy, super easy. I can tell you that C and D are not the answers. And now you know the rest. Chalo, quick, very quick, amazingly awesome. Nitrogen cycle, Gautami, definitely I'll do it. We are doing the mind map series, right? So usme nitrogen cycle, we will do it together. We will do it together, Gautami. Okay? Chalo. Oh, guys, I told you C and D are not the answer. Spherical is cocci or coccus. Spirilla is the spirillum, which is a spiral shaped bacteria. Bacilli is a rod shaped bacteria. Vibrio is a comma shaped bacteria. Right? So, cocci is spherical bacteria. Bacilli is rod shaped bacteria. Spirilla is spiral shaped bacteria. And your Vibrio is comma shaped bacteria. ठीक है जिसको कुछ नहीं आ रहा है वो प्लीज क्लास अटेंड करो. अटेंड द क्लास nicely and you'll be able to answer all the questions. I think I didn't press the leaderboard button. So let us see the leaderboard with the superstars. Nandini, Shreya, Watson, Rishit, Pranjal, Dhanashri, Vidula, Kritarth, Pranav and Varshitha. Kritarth, I am seeing you after many days. Pranav, you are the fastest. Nandini is leading the leaderboard by quite a large margin. Chalo, let us look at the last question. Question number 7, directly from heaven. Again based on a bacterial shape. Again based on a bacterial shape. No, this is not based on bacterial shape. It is based on bacteria. What do you use to see a bacteria? Task, microscope, micrometer or none of these. Very easy. Very easy. Easiest question of the class. Thank you so much. Funny video. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section also. Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Okay? Chalo. Quickly. Thank you, Ravindra. Thank you so much. Chalo guys, so the mind map series, you need to go on Instagram and answer the question for the mind map series, and in the comment section of this video you need to tell me when do you want me to take the mind map series, what time of the day you want me to take the mind map series. Okay? Chalo. So let us look at the leaderboard and the winner also for the menti. So on the leaderboard we have got Nandini, Shreya, Pranjal, Watson, Rishit, Vidula, Dhanashri, Kritarth, Pranav and Varshitha. Nandini, Pranjal, Watson, Dhanashri, 4 of you are the fastest and Nandini won the quiz for this particular session today. Congratulations Nandini, great job, amazing, great. Okay? Chalo, Tosha, please put it in the comment section. Chat mein mat dalo, comment section mein dalo. Okay? Now guys, 2 very important things that I want to tell you. Number 1, I will be waiting for you in my regular classes which are starting today evening. So just go to vdnt.in/ytpro, use the discount code PJPRO and join my classes today for grade 8 CBSE. Apart from that, please let me know in the comment section when do you want the mind map series, and I am not going to give you a printed mind map. We will draw the mind map together. right? Apart from that, guys, do give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoyed the class, and we also spoke such good things today in the class, right? So share these good things with all your friends and your school teachers and school WhatsApp groups. Do share this video everywhere. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost, right? So see you soon. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Stay blessed. God bless all of you. Have a great week ahead. Take care. Love you all.